Hi, I'm Aabha Singh from Bangalore, India. I'm pursuing Masters in Public Health Dentistry from Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. I have registered for participating in the annual conference of Towards Unity for Health 2022 at University of British Columbia, Vancouver, Canada. I really can't express my level of happiness when I received an email confirming me with the sponsored and giving me an opportunity to attend the conference in person. I can't describe my feeling. I felt so lucky and honored to be chosen for this event. This sponsorship has given me a huge confidence boost towards my chosen topic, and I'm happy to know that all my hope and faith I have in this particular topic is worth recognition. I'm also happy to know that there are more people like me who do believe in this and have provided me the sponsorship. I'm quite excited to meet other participants from around the globe and interact with them and also get exposed to the healthcare program being undertaken by the local authorities in Canada. If lucky enough, I would love to visit College of Health Disciplines at UBC and know the Canadian Interprofessional Health Collaborative. I'm also excited because it's going to be my first conference overseas. For providing me with this wonderful opportunity, I'm thankful to the sponsors, University of British Columbia Health, the organizing team Towards Unity for Health, my institution for recommending me, my mentor, Dr. Pushpanjali K, and Almighty. Thank you.